In this video, I will show you how to bake normals in Blender. I have two skulls. The one on the left is high poly, and the one on the right is low poly. The high poly mesh has around 270,000 triangles, while the low poly mesh has about 14,000 triangles. My goal is to bake a normal map from the high poly mesh onto the low poly mesh. Before we begin, make sure the low poly mesh has a UV map, as baking is not possible without one. Also, ensure that the location and rotation properties of both meshes are set to 0 and that their scale properties are set to 1. To do this, go to the Object menu and apply all transforms. Next, select the low poly mesh and create the new material for it. Then, go to the Shading tab and create a new image texture by pressing the space key and typing Image Texture. Click the New button and set the width and height resolutions. Then set the color space to non-color. Now, go to the Render tab and select Cycles as the render engine, then set the device to GPU compute. To begin baking, select the high poly mesh, then hold Ctrl and select the low poly mesh. Go to the Bake section and set the bake type to normal. Enable the Selected to Active option, set the extrusion value to around 0.1. Now click the Bake button. The baking process is done and the normal map is ready to use. Add it to the material by using a normal map node. Here is the low poly skull with the baked normal map applied. As you can see, it looks nearly identical to the high poly version. By adjusting the strength value, you can control the intensity of the normal effect. To compare them more easily, I'll show both meshes side by side. Finally, go to this menu and save the normal map for future use.